Okay, so today I'm gonna give you my 2 cents about cooking those Pastabox and kind of product. First step, open the box, take out the fork and keep the box away, even if it states here that you have to put it in the microwave. I prefer to take it off. Okay, my second step here is to shake the box as much as I can to separate this, the sauce here at the bottom, and then on the box they stated to take off the protection here, but I will just take it up slowly, just one corner, and put it in the microwave. And just the corner open on top, put it in the middle, and then turn on the microwave for 2 minutes as they state on the box. So why only just opening it on the little corner? It's a better way for me to keep it smoother, because first of all, the sauce at the bottom will melt and will be kept in the box and not on the microwave plate. And also because the boiling water inside the box will give me better taste. The pasta will be softer in my mouth. So I have prepared the box this way to put back the plastic box. Et voilà. So you can see it's very hot. So take it at another corner, the one there is nothing. Put it in the, and now carefully see. Take it off. You can see the water that boil inside, and it's difficult to keep the camera and open it, but I didn't add myself. It's not too hot Okay, put the cover in the bin, and now I can turn and it easily, and the salmon parts came easily from the bottom, and I will have a correct lunch. And for me, actually, on the market, the Sodebo Pastabox salmon is actually the best one. Hope you like it too. Bye bye.